Election Commission reiterating sign oath or apologize. That's a dare to Rahul Gandhi. Rahul still has time to sign oath or apologize, says the Election Commission. Poll panels give proof dare to Rahul. Karnataka, Haryana, Maharashtra election commissions have sent a notice already. EC accuses Gandhi of faking poll data. It's a give proof dare to Rahul Gandhi. Do not shoot and scoot is what the Election Commission is telling Rahul Gandhi. They've said this in the past as well, as far as the charges being made against the Election Commission on voter list manipulation here is concerned. EC has accused Rahul Gandhi of misleading, saying sign oath or apologize. We're not going to be doing that, says DK Shiv Kumar. In fact, you have serious explaining to do, is what the Congress has told the Election Commission of India. Also saying that we won the polls democratically. I'm going to go straight across to Aishwarya for more details on that. Aishwarya, clearly there are daggers drawn as far as the Congress versus the Election Commission of India here is concerned, isn't it? With the EC reiterating what it's been saying for days together, they do not shoot and scoot.
Well, definitely, we are seeing it's a full-fledged war taking place between the Election Commission of India and Rahul Gandhi. Now, Rahul Gandhi had a long presentation and he said that what the Election Commission of India is doing, not just in one state, but across various states, particularly in the state of Karnataka, was voter fraud. He also said that there are different kinds of voter frauds that are taking place, particularly 5, in which names are being added, names are being deleted, people are doing fake voting. Those people who actually have epic numbers, a lot of them are voting not at one place, but at multiple places. With regards to what the Election Commission wants, they want Rahul Gandhi to give a signed declaration, to give under oath all the data that he has shared on the all the data that he's claiming is actually pointing towards the fact that votes are being stolen and being stolen from the opposition party. So that's the big tussle going on at the moment between the Election Commission of India and the Congress party, particularly Rahul Gandhi.
Be with us. Aishwarya, I'm going to come back to you in a moment from now. We have more news coming in connection with what has been said by the Election Commission and the Congress and the defense.